Hi, this is Ronak Salam, and I'm at the studio of Incense Route. Today, I'm looking at a beautiful gem tree. This is a healing tree. It calls 7 chakra gem tree. By the way, all our gem trees are coming from India. It is made in India, and it has all 7 crystals that is healing each of our invisible chakra. Let's go over this tree. The first one is covering root chakra, and it is covered with red jasper. So red jasper increases emotional stamina, and it is good for grounding and balancing. It is good for emotional protection as well. The second one is the sacral chakra. For sacral chakra, I see carnelian, and carnelian, it balances yin and yang, lifts the mood, and provides motivation. It also helps to increase a low sex drive. The third one is solar plexus chakra, and the solar plexus chakra is complemented with citrine. And what citrine does, it's imparting strength and perseverance. It balances and protects the aura, and it raises consciousness and grounds spiritual energy. Okay, the fourth one is the heart chakra. And for heart chakra, we see green aventurine here. This stone attracts true love, true friendship, and lasting relationships. Green aventurine is also known as the luck stone. For bringing good fortune, it is very renowned. Okay, now going up is throat chakra, and for throat chakra, we put lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is a powerful crystal for activating the higher mind and understanding. It aids in the process of learning. It is excellent for enhancing memory. Next chakra is third eye chakra, and third eye chakra is complemented with amethyst. The calming, balancing, and sedating power of amethyst is known to all. It boosts the third eye chakra, guards against psychic attack, block negative vibes, and allow you to perceive an alternate reality. And now the final one, and which we see is the clear quartz. Clear quartz is the crown chakra. This stone is known as the master healer. It can heal issues at the physical, mental, and emotional level. Also, it helps us to open the spiritual aura. So come by, check this out.